Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Beth, bye-bye. Happy 50th birthday. Biro mo, umabot ka pa niyan. Putang na ako. Kala ko, hindi na eh. Alam mo, kung di ka pumunta sa Italy, wala ka na ngayon, tigbak na. Buti na lang, napunta ka dyan. 50 ka na. Antayin mo. Pag uwi mo dito, graduate na si Poppy. Mag-happy-happy tayo. Ha? Huwag kayo tumingin ang papangit nyo, mga hindot kayo. Hello. Ito si Papa, oh. Nakakakita na, nakita mo. Isang mata na lang. Poging-pogi na. Wow, magsalita ka, dali. Happy birthday, Kebet. Dali. Happy birthday, Gary.
Happy birthday!
Madak. Oh, ikaw na.
Happy birthday, Ate Bea.
Hawlan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Kainin mo ko. Kainin mo daw si tatay.
Message!
Ingat kayo dyan, ha?
Yun lang.
Negro, hindi na tumawag ni Nanay Lila. Wala na ba yung number ko sa kanya? Birthday! Kailan ka uwi?
Tiger rin, great. Hindi ko rin sumama na, Jay. Silang ang dalawa nga.
Oh. Happy birthday.
Si Toche ba?
Sige, sabihin mo na rin.
Bet! Happy birthday!
Yun lang, walang...
Ingat
Ano
kayo
ba yan?
dyan, ha?
Okay na.
Okay. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Mommy Beth, and advance Happy Mother's Day. We love you. God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday, tita. Masasabi ko lang, yung ginagawa mo na ganyan, na malayo sa pamilya, na para kumita ng pera, kahit na mahirap, kinakaya mo kasi alam mo na kailangan. At alam ko hindi madali kasi mahirap yung laking malayo ka sa mahal mo sa buhay. Kaya ang wish ko sa birthday mo, sana kahit malayo ka, maging masaya ka, at more power, good health, tsaka huwag ka mag-alasam dito, okay kami. Tsaka kung patuloy mo lang yung pagsasakripisyo, kasi wala, kailangan talaga eh. Kaya muli, isang maligayang araw ng kapanganak. Love you, tita.
Hi! Happy birthday, Tol!
Happy birthday, Ate Ben. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy golden birthday.
Tanda ka na dito, Bet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Kamusta ka dyan?
Kamusta ka dyan?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Mama, Checho.
To you.
Ingat ka palagi dyan.
Ingat ka palagi dyan!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday po. Wish ko lang po, sana lagi po kayong healthy dyan. Tsaka okay po kayo lagi na kay Tucci. Ingat po kayo palagi. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po ulit. Love you.
Kuha mo ako ng